The CYHKEE Solar Wall Lanterns are equipped with 3 polycrystalline silicon solar panels, enabling efficient sunlight absorption and ensuring the lights stay illuminated throughout the night. With an impressive brightness of 200 lumens and a color temperature of 3,200 Kelvin, these solar wall lights outshine many other similar products. Featuring advanced photocell sensor technology, these lights offer 3 distinct modes, allowing for customizable lighting based on user preference and environmental conditions. Constructed from new ABS plastic material, these lanterns are designed to withstand various weather conditions without fading, deforming, or corroding. Installation is straightforward with the included accessories and manual, making it easy to enhance the exterior of any home with a touch of modern and European style. These versatile solar wall sconces are perfect for a wide range of applications, including porches, patios, garages, and gardens.